What up, mfters? Wired and Sam right here. Hope this audio is working. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to build a dating site for rejects called 02xrejects using Cursor AI, ChatGPT. So I'll walk through where I'm at. So first I pitched the idea via voice, and here's the idea. So basically, the rejection system is you get a match, you get 2 reject credits for every match. You can use a reject credit to pass, but leaves the door slightly open. And so rejected users can respond with a redeem action, basically a way to repitch themselves via meme, audio note, or spicy icebreaker. So the second rejection ends it, but the app records your rejectors in a section called the ones that got away twice. So we can basically memify these rejections. If you share it, as part of the agree to share, I guess, your rejections. You can have your content delisted. All right, you can only ghost if you've used both your rejections. Yeah, so you can just reject twice. Somebody messaged you twice. Somebody can't really, you could reject 2 messages. How about that? Or you can block somebody if you really need to block somebody, but you're not ghosting them. They're going to be able to send you a second message. All right, based on the people rejected you once, then they came back. Yeah. So curiosity rank, yeah. All right, a little high. Curiosity rank, based on how many people rejected you once, then came back. Yeah. So they get curious, curiosity rank. How curious are you? Like that. Reject roulette, a fun daily game where you review the people you've rejected and choose one to give a second chance. And yeah, the epic cringe feed. Anonymous hilarious rejection redemptions people have submitted. Yeah. So you submit it. You don't just go on there. You submit it. All right. Be respectful, people. Social angle. Yeah. So knowledge, modern dating chaos, and gives structure to rejection. You can feel more like improv comedy than emotional damage. All right. So basically, that's the idea organized. And then I said, create a product outline for the homepage of the marketing app. So it outlined Epicurious homepage product outline header. Love is awkward. It made it fun. 2 rejections, one last chance. Rejection has never felt so right. Down the app, watch how it works. So yeah, some animation suggestions, how it works, why Epicurious. Okay, yeah, so we got this marketing content all organized. You'll be able to see it here soon. All right, let's come up with style guide. So yeah, then I asked it for a style guide. So tech focus, but also reject focus. Brilliant UX meets flirty nihilism. All right, so Epicurious style guide theme: red, midnight ash. Yeah, I like it. Flirt blush, ghost gray, match electric, off-white smoke. I feel like that's it. Yeah, neon signs in dark rooms. Terminal UI meets Tinder. Yes, spot on. AI. Text you wish you need. Text you wish you didn't send. Yeah. All right. So here's the typography. I like it. Space grotesque. I like that font a lot. Reject button. Error red. Nah, pass. Okay, yeah, I like that. Not feeling it. I like it. I like it a lot. And you can customize your own rejection button. Shake animation on hover. Soft buzz haptic mode. Okay. Redeem button. Match electric. Redeem myself. Try again. All right, see, I just gotta build this. So we got a good visual outline and product integrations or product design in this. So now, find my tab. Oh shit, I wasn't streaming it. I streamed the window, not the reading. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to do some post editing. Window. All right. So here it all is. here's the idea right now. App name, core concept, rejection system, ghost mode. Yeah, so now the next thing is, it's more of a tech thing. No one's gonna watch this shit. But maybe I'll edit it so that people will watch. All right, so then Epicurious homepage, product, outline, levels automated funds. Yeah, so we got the theme, and then we got everything we need to make this app. We got theme right here. All the things I already talked about. Here's the entering it in. So now we're going to set the style here, give it a little more direction. Here's what we have so far. I should have just showed this. So this is where we're at with just the initial marketing text message automated in. And now we're going to see what it updates for style. Accept. Already done. Interesting. No, I just added that design system at the bottom. Okay, nice. So it's got the makings of this. I got to coach it more for no, I think I got to backtrack here. Let me look at this prompt. Okay, yeah, because that's more the product design. I just need the theme design. That was a bad prompt. Bad prompt, guys. Let's just start with this. And we'll say update the style theme / design with this guide. That should be a better prompt. Oh, I see what I'm doing here. Not bad. Let's talk it in here though. We'll go. So we'll do it in chat. Compose the shit. I find it works a lot better than the inline stuff. This is just nice for targeting very highly specific things. All right, cool. We got our fonts getting in there. Updated styles. Metadata, nice. All right, cool. That's a lot better. All right, perfect. All right, so we're going to say download app page that goes to a page to encourage a developer to deploy these tools to build this app. Might be me. It might be me, but we're gonna encourage myself. Probably gonna be me. I wouldn't mind. I'm trying to just get everything optimized. It should just be almost like a prompt. Create a React app from existing web app. All right, so while that's going, what's next? So yeah, I mean, really, I just want to go over these tools. So I'm going to start, this is just me just having fun here. We're going to go into some more features here in a little bit. But basically, yeah, so this is a Next.js app deployed. It was going to be deployed in Vercel. I usually like the Pages router. It's a much better routing mechanism than the app router. Someone can convince you otherwise with the app router. Maybe I'll get there. But the structure is easy to understand. And it seems to work pretty well for me for the most part. And then I use style components because style components are great. It's honestly like easy to refactor and organize the code and reuse the code in different spots. I think Tailwind's overrated, especially in the age of AI. And these things, yeah, it can easily add additional React. You can easily turn into React components. So if you want to turn a benefit into React component for whatever reason or benefit list, we can do that pretty easily. I mean, I guess you can do it in the code too, but it's nice to have them kind of just like organized and reusable. All right, so download, yep, we got that. Got the link working now. Sometimes it does this. I think that's what's got a new page. Oh, well, let's go back and fix this. So this is that button. I kind of like this logo as. I wonder if this works. It does, look at that. Download the app. So text to context. Sometimes it should just do it. Sometimes it does it. Sometimes it does things it shouldn't do. All right. Yeah, I mean, you get the idea. And then when we get to other things, I definitely recommend Supabase. I'll get onto that. So Supabase had an outage today, but it's a good product. And it's easy to, I've gotten it working pretty well with this Cursor AI and understanding the product a little bit better now. So we're going to say basic work on marketing page. Get the download in a second. It's going slow. Come on, AI. See, this is the problem with this thing. It likes to go back and change things when I change it here. So I don't know why it does this. It's like, that's why you got to get the new chat. Like you need to eliminate this context when you start something different. Or I guess when you edit the code, every time you edit the code manually, you almost have to start a new chat, which is kind of annoying. All right. sure it's fixed again. Still going through it. See, this is another problem I've noticed too. I gotta figure out why this one's doing this to me. There we go. We'll iterate on this. All right, I got a little distracted with this idea. I thought it was a funny idea, but I'll be going through and creating more structured, organized demonstration of my process here soon. I just need to like pre-plan it out a little bit. I figure it out, but I'll get a good demo video at some point when I really launch this. All right, let's add those. All right, got those 2 pages up. And then, yeah, deploy to Vercel. I don't think there's any reason why I can't show this. Just made some good updates to Art Night Detroit. So we're going to add a project. Oh, I've been on my personal. I'm going to move this to my organization. So I'm going to go. I think I just got to go settings here. Transfer ownership. Move these down here. Oops. What? Doesn't match it. You're crazy. Oh, yeah, 0x2. Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah, that's the one. All right, we'll hide this. I don't think I need to, but. Yeah, I don't need to. Use GitHub or OnePass for key management. It's a nice product. Pay me, please. Or give me free product. No, so I need to click. Whoops. All right. Yeah, right here. It's already there. All right, cool. So now it's here. And now we'll go here. I guess that was probably not fun. Jesus Christ. All right, 0x2. I want it on the work anyway. All right. And deploy. It'll take a minute. So yeah, good, powerful tools. We'll have a website, basic marketing page deployed here in no time. Error, cannot find module. Interesting. I think sometimes it doesn't add it right. Yeah, see. Or like erases it. I don't know. It's annoying. So I really just need that base app. That's what I should be doing. Just focus on configuring something very minimal. But we should be able to go to this project now. All right. So something with style components. It's not working right. Style components. CSS is not rendering in production. Let's take a look at Next.js configuration. Yeah, see, I think, okay, yeah, the compiler. I knew that. So yeah, let's get the space app going. I'll just fork from a commit at a certain point and then clean up the marketing to just the launch app. Should have done this a while ago. These mfters. I'll do this in the command line. That should go correctly now. All right. Still nada? There it is. Okay, cool. Cool. All right. So we can go from there. I'm going to cut this video, but this isn't a joke, guys. It's rough out there. I love it. All right. Let's go. Let's memify this shit. Peace. Peace, MFers. MFers.